So, good morning, sir. Please.
Good morning.
Yeah, I am Dharmaraju. I am your activity and wildlife in charge. Please welcome morning country club video programming.
Yeah, I'm Suchai from Bangalore. Okay, we came here to enjoy the nature. So wanted to enjoy the nature. So we choose country club, and by choosing country club, we are very happy. Very nice wildlife situation here. We're situated in a very good place, and it's a very good feeling to be here in country club. And the people here are also very good. They care for their guests very much, and when the housekeeping is good, actually the cottages are okay, nice, and above all that is the activities which they have taken as an example, bonfire, mountain trekking, and other things are handled very well, and we enjoyed it. They coordinated it very nicely, so we are very happy, and we spent here for a few days, and I don't know how it went away. Actually, it's a very nice, very nice feeling.
Yes,
People
sir.
here very good.
How many days you stay in country club Bandipur, sir?
Yeah, we came here for 2 days. Actually, we wanted to stay more now, but because of time factor, we have to leave the place now.
Yeah. How is the food quality, sir?
Yeah, food is good, but you can even make it more better, giving more contrast every day, every time, a different kind of food. Actually, it looks like all the buffet lunch and dinner comes out to be the same way. So try to improve that. That makes more sense actually.
So
But it's good.
how is housekeeping, sir?
Yeah, they done their work. It's very good. No problem.
Past 2 days you staying in country club Bandipur. How is the staff treatment to you, sir?
Yeah, they're good. They're polite. They take care of their guests. So there's no point in blaming any of them. It's good.
But you told me the activity in the bonfire is very good. How do you enjoy in the bonfire area?
Yeah. The people who are coordinating it, they've done a good job. They make to meet each other and to mingle with each other. So it's very natural actually. The people who are doing it are doing it in a natural way. So that's good. So with the people who are doing it, not just such a way that people come together and that everybody enjoy the time and they get together, they play together. That's good actually.
ಏನಂದ್ರೆ
Very nice.
ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಯಾರು ಪರಿಚಯ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು. ಸೊ ಒಂಥರ ನೀವು ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡಿಸ್ತೀರಾ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಈಗ ನೀವೇ ಆಡಿಸಿದ್ರಿ. ಒಂಥರ ತುಂಬ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಲೋ ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ.
ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ಧರ್ಮರಾಜು.
ಹಾಂ,
ಧರ್ಮರಾಜು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಧರ್ಮರಾಜ್ ಅವರು ಗೇಮ್ ಆಡಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಖ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇವನ್ ಲಂಚ್ಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಖ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಆ ಥರ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂಥರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇ ಆಟಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಮೂವರೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾಗಲಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು 7-8 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಟ್ಟೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಲೆ ಬಿಸಿನೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರ ಪಾಡ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿಂದರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಲಲ್ಲಂತೂ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಚರ್, ಹೂಗಳು ನನಗಿಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮರಗಳು, ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಟೇಜ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಂಥರ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನೇಚರ್ನ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಬೆಟ್ಟ, ಒಂಥರ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಒಂಥರ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂಥರ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಒಂಥರ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
Yes, madam. Last night you enjoyed the karaoke. How is the karaoke, madam?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
I am a disco dancer. I am a disco dancer.
Yeah.
जिंदगी मेरा गाना.
So do you?
ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸರ್?
So maximum the karaoke point is 99, madam. 99. So
ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ 93.
yeah, because you get the highest score point. How do you ever express you get the highest score? You tell me.
ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, 1-2 ಸತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ನ ನಂಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತು ಸರ್.
So, any word about the country club, sir?
Yeah, country club is good. They can even have a lot of opportunity to improve also. Good enough now. They can even put more like in the swimming pool also. They don't have water balls, all other things. They have a lot of things to improve also. They're good, but it's good one.
So, do you recommend your friends to you once again in Bandipur?
Yeah, even
ನಾವೇ
I'm
ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
planning to send some of my friends, even my parents. Decided to send my parents also. Let them also enjoy the nature. Very good place.
Yeah.
And not far away from us. That's the most important thing.
Yeah.
We stay in Bangalore, so whoever nearby place they can come here and enjoy.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Because I hope so. Last 2 nights you were staying here. Did you enjoy here? And I hope so. What you get the expectations? You get the most experience here. Get
It's
it
good
here.
above expectation. It is actually.
Yeah.
We thought
Please-
okay it will be good, but it's more than what we have thought.
Yeah.
Good.
But our country club sign is thumbs up. Please show the thumbs up, please.
Yeah, thumbs up to the Mister. Country club is good actually. Anyway.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for cooperating in the 2 minutes video programming. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೂವೇ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.